I want to talk about this portable clothes dryer that Morris sent to me to review. Uh, First thing I'll tell you, it looks cool. That's not the end all be all as far as this product, but I really do appreciate the design. It looks very futuristic. Beyond that, it's easy. You open up the box, it's pretty much plug and play. You put the cord in, plug it in, and you are ready to dry clothes. It's that easy. Pretty much no setup whatsoever. So I picked it up and carried it into the living room and put it on a table. It's light, very easy to manage and move around. So I figured I'd give it the first go, put some wet laundry in I just took out of the dryer and let it have it. And it did fantastic. It took about half hour, 45 minutes, and everything in there came out dry, which is exactly what I was looking for. Now, who is this good for? I can think of a lot of examples. Anyone who lives in an apartment and doesn't want to travel a long way to dry clothes, anyone who's in a college dorm potentially, and also one thing that really comes to mind if you are a renter and you rent a cabin on a lake or the beach or whatever during the summer, oftentimes in rentals you don't have access to laundry or drying facilities, so this would be fantastic. And also another option that comes to mind is if you go skiing, if you do a skiing rental or something like that. Imagine putting your ski clothes in here for 5-10 minutes before you head out on the slopes in the morning on a particularly cold day. I can't think of any better way to kick off the ski day than that. If you need one for your home, please click on the link in the description below.